This exquisitely constructed container home with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms provides all the contemporary amenities of modern life in elegance. It was built using 2 shipping containers placed side by side and sheared horizontally to create a dynamic floor plan. From the front porch, there is an idyllic scenery this container home offers, with a stylish and functional living space that merges seamlessly with its natural surroundings. From the entrance, the wooden flooring and the all-white kitchen details blend seamlessly together to create an air of luxury upon entering the home. The open-plan living area features a fully functional open kitchen that has high-gloss white modern cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a wide kitchen window that lets in plenty of natural light and fresh air. Next to the kitchen is a classy dining area, big enough for 4, that looks out through the folding glass doors onto the sun deck, allowing you to fully take in the views and the serenity this property has to offer. The lounge area is designated by a floor mat and is furnished with a comfortable couch, a coffee table, and a dedicated workstation tucked away in a corner. Near the entry is a laundry that is accessible via a built-in cupboard. A small hallway from the living area leads to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Past the kitchen area is the first bathroom, fit out with a standalone shower, a vanity, and a toilet. Opposite the bathroom is a well-lit first bedroom. The bedroom has got a large window overlooking the lush gardens, built-in robes, a comfy twin over a queen bed, and an abundance of natural light that creates a sunny and inviting ambience. The master suite is the epitome of luxury, with an abundance of pillows covering the comfortable bed. Natural light streams in through a wide glass window that provides amazing vistas to greet you each morning. It is joined by a stunning bathroom that features a vanity with storage, a small window for more natural light, a toilet, and a glass shower cubicle. The color palette for the house interior is white and bright, making the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The floors are finished with new hardwood flooring, which gives the house a sleek, modern look. From outside, there's no secret that this is a shipping container house where the grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray, celebrating the industrial charm of the house. The home offers excellent outdoor spaces to complement the limited indoor living space. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend our YouTube channel to more viewers. In this channel, we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.